Dear students, today we are going to study situation wanted type of classified advertisement. In the previous video, we already have studied about situation vacant type of classified advertisement. In the introductory video to classified advertisement, I told you that in board examination, question from this topic comes for 4 marks, and these 4 marks are divided in F, C and E. 1 mark for F, 2 marks for C and 1 mark for E. F for format, E for expression and C for content. And one more important thing that is our answer should not exceed 50 words, means we should be confined to the word limit of 50. This type of advertisement is written by a job seeker to offer his her services, means a person who is in search of job writes such type of advertisement to offer his or her services. Now students, let us see the important points that an advertiser must include in the advertisement he wants to put in a newspaper or magazine. Students, if you mention all these points, I assure you that you will going to get full marks. First point is educational qualification and other skills. Every job requires a different educational qualification, so including this point is necessary to show your ability or eligibility to get some particular job. And extra skills increase your weightage. You can say that it increases your claim to be a better employee. Second point, experience in the service offered by the advertiser. Experience mentioned in offered field in your ad will enable the reader to judge or understand your maturity and proficiency level. Third point, age, sex and marital status. For making a better perception of the advertiser, age, sex and marital status play an important role. Marital status means whether you are married or single. Next point, expected salary, means how much salary do you want for your services. This point tells the employer whether you are affordable for him or not. Next is name, contact number, email and address. All these things help the parties to contact you easily. You must include what kind of job you would like to do and the area where you can provide your services easily. I am talking about last point, sixth point, where kind of job, area and timing. This will limit the calls of interested parties if they are beyond the boundaries area mentioned by you. Last point is timing. Timing also must be a part of your content. It shows that you will work for full day or part time. In case of part time offering, you must give the details of probable timing that you want to work for. These are the required informative inclusions of situation wanted type classified advertisement. Students, I hope you must have understood today's topic very well. But for better understanding, let us go through an example. So this is the example question. You are Vikram Sonia, an honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India. You are well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. You are looking for the job of tourist guide. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for the situation wanted column of a local newspaper. Your contact number is this. Students, this question has already come in board examination of CBSE 2017. We can see in the question that a number of pieces of information have been given in the question only, such as name of the candidate, Vikram, if student is a boy, Sonia, if student is a girl, qualification of the advertiser, honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India, extra skills, acquaintance or familiarity with the historical places, desired area for the job, Delhi, Jaipur and Agra, kind of job, tourist guide, contact number 99751234. Students, if any other information is required, you will have to give it from your own side. Let us go to the answer. Here is the answer. Title is Situation Vacant, and I have already told you many times that title must be written in capital letters. Title of any advertisement must be written in capital letters. This is the only format part of classified advertisement. Right, students? Now let us read the answer. BA Honors History Topper. Educational qualification, Vikram Sonia, name of the candidate, with specialization in medieval India, is looking for the job of a tourist guide. Tourist guide, kind of the job, age 22 years, affluent in English and Hindi, extra skills, affluent in Hindi and English. Affluent is a part of extra skill. Affluent means well versed, well known, having perfection, well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. Students, well acquainted means knows very well, well known to something or familiar to something. So, well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. Good communication skills. Persuasion skills. Persuasion skills means the talent of changing the attitudes, beliefs or behavior of a person towards somebody or something. and this quality is very necessary for a job like guide or marketing. Persuasion skills and charming personality. Charming means attractive. Expected salary 30,000 PM. PM stands for per month. Contact number has been given. Email ID has been given. Right, students? So this is the content what is required for a situation wanted type of advertisement. Let us see a question for practice. You are a retired lecturer in physics and you have started a coaching center. Side by side, you need part-time tuitions. Write out an advertisement in about 50 words for entry in the situation wanted column of a local daily. Give relevant details. Students, please solve this question. Write an advertisement for this question and send it to me to get it checked. Okay. Thank the next video we shall meet with matrimonial type of advertisement. If there is any problem, any confusion, any doubt in this video, please contact me and get it solved. Thank you.